Like I mentioned, this is a frequently asked question. Assalamualaikum parents and students of Primary 5. In this video, let's go through one more frequently asked questions during P5 Science End of Year exam as well as PSLE, and that is electromagnets. For this video, I'll be covering two questions, inshallah. Let's read the first question together. The diagram below shows a fish feeder in a fish farm. When switch S is closed, the cover for the food container slides open to release the fish food into the pond. A. State a property of the cover of the food container that allows the fish feeder to work. B. Explain how the cover slides open when switch S is closed. Let's first study the diagram together. If we look at the diagram carefully, we see an iron rod in which there's a wire coil around it. Students, whenever you see this kind of question, you should identify this as an electromagnet question. Like I mentioned, this is a frequently asked question. The scenario changes, however, the concept for which an electromagnet works remains the same. The iron rod will turn into an electromagnet if switch S is closed, because when switch S is closed, electric current from the batteries can flow through the wires, magnetizing the iron rod into electromagnets. When that happens, the cover will be attracted to the iron rod. Therefore, we can safely say that this cover has to be a magnetic material. State a property of the cover of the food container that allows the fish feeder to work. That will be magnetic material. Let's take a look at part B. Explain how the cover slides open when switch S is closed. When switch S is closed, electric current can flow through the wires, which then magnetizes iron rod into an electromagnet. The electromagnets can then attract the cover. When the cover moves to the right, the container will be opened and the fish food will drop into the water. Explain how the cover slides open when switch S is closed. When switch S is closed, electric current can flow in the closed circuit. The iron rod magnetizes into an electromagnet. That attracts the cover which slides open. Now let's take a look at the second question. Timothy took part in a game show. To answer the questions, the contestants had to press the button in front of them to ring the buzzer. Only one of the contestants' buzzer would ring at a time. The diagram below showed the electrical circuit that allowed the buzzer to ring. Iron bars A and B could move about their fixed points. The question: explain how the above electrical circuits work. Once again, let's study the diagram carefully. We have two circuits there, circuits for contestant A and circuits for contestant B. Let's now assume that button A was pressed down first. If button A was pressed down first, the circuit for contestant A will turn into a closed circuit, allowing electric current to pass through the metal contact, movable iron bar A, pass through the wire coil through the wires of the buzzer, return to the negative terminal of the batteries. This allows the buzzer to ring. The question says that only one buzzer will ring at a time. The other thing that happens when button A was pressed down first, the iron rod with coiled wire will turn into an electromagnet. When that happens, it will attract the movable iron bar B. When that happens, there will be an open circuit for contestant B. Hence, even though participant B pressed down button B, the buzzer will not ring because there is an open circuit that does not allow electricity to flow through. So let's answer the question together. When button A was pressed first, a closed circuit A forms. Electric current can flow. The buzzer will ring, and at the same time, iron rod magnetizes into electromagnets, attracting iron bar B. Open circuit of B does not allow current to flow when button B pressed. If you find this video useful in helping you to answer a frequently asked question on electromagnet, like it, share it, and leave your comments. Our 2025 class registration is now open. Register for a free trial lesson at ymsedutech.com. I wish you all the best for your Primary 5 year-end exam, inshallah. Bye!